Back in the days, we had a lot of good school. Back in the days, we had a lot of discipline. Back in the days, when everywhere was very clean. But now I can't see them party any longer. A lot of people, them are really any longer. Freedom, everything is taking over you and me. But now I can't see them better be answer. To all the problems and the people that we have. No more worries, no more war. Everybody trying to think the same, but I rise up from back. What together, come together in unite. Make we not fight, make we never fight. Middle in the morning, freedom, peace and unity. And nowadays, it's just a living getting high. And nowadays, pretty innocent and high. And nowadays, politics are full of life. Because you the truth, nobody knows the reason why. Now it's getting late, you know, no wonder. You say you're batting now, we put it on the bunker. It's taking over you and me. Nowadays, just never the answer to all the problems and the questions that we all love. Nobody's working, but we want it all. So everything take this space. Come together, come together. The better in the night. Come together, the better in the night. Make it a pass, make it never fight. We're in the morning, freedom, peace and unity. You are my brothers and my sisters and my friends. Yeah, one family, one love. Together, we can make Nigeria a better place to stay. We unite, we can make this place our home. We want. Yeah. Yellow moon. Only you can stop your so why should I be afraid? My thoughts start with the dead. No, I didn't fail. There's a greater reason I'm there. I want life to go out. Yeah. Tomorrow no promise, so me no tell me hard. But live without living. I'm in it to win it. Live without living. Yeah. You sit this Rita, man, the feature, you see out like whoa. My life is like speaker, the beat don't no blow. Things might are easier, but me can't ease some now.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebola DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta.
And Christy, FEMNR, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 Echo DSN. Daddy level.
NigerKeeps.com.
I say when I know they see bread, not to talk about cara. All these girls, so they use me, the shakara. No designer, no don't say no capana. We are not on the job, keep a banana. Only I own you, local boy, maybe Canada. And I don't sell the boys, I don't have nada. But she calls this to Kalu and Kara. See, I am not the type of to Kampala. Oh, in the Kara, but more Kara. So more to Kara, in the Kara. Oh, right now, getting more love with my dear. So I love you, fake love when I'm getting my paper. You cannot be now. Don't love me later, cause I'm no one any fake love when I'm making my paper. Away from the boat, gosh, 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 away from the boat. When you go to the back, let go. You can love me now. Keep my paper. Yeah, you can love me now. Nibo Toshi. Nibo Toshi. Yes, we are celebrating today, the 14th day of March 2024. Yes, so no Sadi Yotago. Yona Kwan Egu Akita, Webolo, Noboni recognize them one at Tayabafo. No one will be the Zeke on a very good day. I must be in a call. Okutu Sadino Tutua. And this is how we are balling into this particular edition of Birthday Splash Nebona, the 103.5 FM. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yes, I seen artificial intelligence now. A lot of people were very scared about their jobs. Now, artificial intelligence. Don't worry, here. I seen artificial intelligence na we butie na aba. Ụmụaka aba ga kidnap ya. Debia na azụ no. Ngwa butele abi check izikeze ebe artificial intelligence no. Asịgide no ọ na-eli kwa n'oyo, ọ dịbala na azụ no. This morning is going to be fun all the way as we celebrate the great people who are celebrating today, the 14th day of March 2024. My name is Metal. Yes, I am. We should go. You have to go wiki video. That you can still listen to the sound of my voice right now is a testimony that we must share. The fact that we can, relate with each other. We must give glory to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. In this lifetime, I gonna make sure that nine are bunu to our society. Other enough in on 80 some book, and when PhD, and when BSc, and when MBA, and when we have one on cause of FIFA and ML society today, not just even with the 10, the Motapalefi Jamaya for in the first place, and now apply to our society today. Because we want a very good day. Our school systems today, some people wouldn't pimp on a very good day for now, and then me that way. Full weekend that school. Imagine the situation. Ebony pimp yabe na make Michael Jackson. They on a very good day. Of change that. Or say change your case. Something like that. Change the carabiner. A lot of things to talk about today, and if I just put now, Bastalo or to I guess when I contribute to the development of our society, we can find a make it in order to prove that we are part of Ihana and to prove Naibo part of this society to make it better. What do we have to offer? From the perspective that sometimes we have to go beyond the Yotago in and the tradition I went. Today, a lot of opportunities. Kind of about what the hardship I went today. Can they build to make it better tomorrow? Something advice, but by farming at the end of the day. I am a make move God like that today. The online a very good day. Ngolonka when I present hip hop
and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi. Check it out on Amazon. I need in brought up. Kaharina brought down on a very good day. So check it out on a very good day. It's unfolding right about it. Yes, all of those things. The corrupted words of Igbo language, the like Abraham, Abaramaha, Chukwokika Biama, and all of that. Or people who sound the same. Or so when you get involved, Akoko Oti Boju. And you know how we do what we do right here is your party up in here. All you have to do is get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035 with name and not with you. Get involved. Let's celebrate you this morning. Or birthday. What is that? Chieftaincy title. Celebrate. Get involved. This morning, we are going to start off with the celebration of Ndike celebrated this morning. And Ofonye Aigeju Ebido Nuku Madu, Onike Yotago Eluku down on him na Germany. Nyama Jinwa and after US. Amapanono Nyama Gemi for Yefo on a very good day. And we are talking about the man who brought about the formula. Form nuclear weapon for the first time. What they say, Yotago Mbane problem between Hitler and all of that. Yotago Onokata or the formula where the president of America say just one or two kita for a or the very good day. Manakema say drop Yabo bomb na Hiroshima Yotago or regret why you put Yabo formula. And we are talking about no other than about Einstein, German-born physics and founder of the theory of relativity, born March 14th, 1879. So we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday. Yes, all the go sad. We have to celebrate greatness. So to sad now. On what case we work this young man and a who about Einstein. No one Bob are playing. You have to go on any anako, where below in India, or where the ball, or not in India. Let's play again. Enjoy Gajojo. You have to go. Is that here? You know, in $50. Money drum. You have to go. More Zatia. When you give $500. That is, if you don't get it right, you're going to do it. But if you get it right, you're going to go now. Mananya again, 500. The man was in 50. Or draw the man as Atalia, the man will $50. The man where you plan, Kessia Keduko said, or Zatalia or near 500. Or some what is the answer? The man say, not money is Atalia now. It is happening. Akoko Oti Boju. Yes, on your side, celebrating Ututu where Bolo Stephen Curry, American basketball player, born March 14th, 1988. This young man, Onyaman NBA, Yabona to game or Diki Bulebu. Yeah, he Chena or Malifone, on our body, and to Ariako on a very good day. Manamboy, Kojulu, and net, now Nebu the net. So today we want to celebrate him this morning. Yotago Onyana to go to 3-pointer on a very good day, and he goes by the name Stephen Curry. So we say happy birthday. Happy birthday is unfolding right at Paketapo. Yotago, if we're going to get involved, let's celebrate you too. Today is also the birthday of American record producer, conductor, arranger, composer, television producer, and trumpeter, born March 14, 1933, and we are talking about Quincy Jones, born in Chicago. So we have to celebrate greatness. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, also now one of the biggest things you see in Hollywood on a very good day. You have to go on why on Hollywood now on Quincy Jones, my follow. So this is why we celebrate him this morning. Yes, today is also the birthday of Dan Crenshaw, U.S. representative-elect from Texas, born March 14, 1984. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, okay, for I have a tabago na jacket for I celebrate and can celebrate this morning. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes, kind of more about Naija. One of the reasons why industries food na Africa most times for pride. Yotago no pride na bataya befe. Kande mo ama allow ko onye mo ife ya alone ko ro no ya befe all those things before go kase. Yeah, if was in keep as well, you have to go Senator Ningi Kuna, yes, na enwe pardon, I say I'm banning all pardon. I suspend there, you have to go, can you put enwe pardon and they support us, yes, and enwe pardon, then all of a sudden, I say my friend go home. I should be on Naba, Manon, no, because I need him, but then all pardon. Anyway, we'll get into all of that in a jiffy. Akoko Oti Boju. And right about Fundo, I have Batagona Jacketa for Kai celebrating Deacon celebrated this morning as today is the birthday of the man that you just heard his voice. Gonna say, you can love me now. And we are talking about Lil Kesh. Today is the birthday of Lil Kesh, Nigerian singer, rapper, born March 14, 1995 in Lagos. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday is unfolding right about Kitafo. Right? Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035. Today is also the birthday of Abdul Raham Bello Dambazwa, and a Nigerian politician born March 14, 1954 in Zaria. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday is unfolding. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Yotagondi Kendi Kenoseta. I get celebrate. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Chika Odua, a Nigerian-American journalist born March 14, 1986 in Obaru. So we say happy birthday to her. Happy birthday. Yes, who say on a very good day. Who say bro Chika, in a cool picture on Achekwa or the Koka. A lot of things to talk about. Yatago Akoko Oti Boju. Makarima no nwe ka onye nwetala alert na account ya si achi nya ị na-edi anya mụ nya ifuko na achịpụ the thing yotago 36 amapụtasị ya na sample on a very good day ya ama na onye nwego gbaga mma you just ikpazi only idre gbaga anything. Yes, today is also the birthday of a Nigerian intelligence officer, Raymond Nkemderim, born March 14, 1961. So we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday on our power food. Up and go for the guy celebrate. Get involved. Let's celebrate you this morning. As we proceed to give you, what you need. Satisfaction, guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akoko Oti Boju. Yes, if any man and I can keep as well, here Kali, and we have a lot of things to talk about. In a Kwazani phone, Anna common kidnapping this side, a lot, and then Makwayota go and who Makanka, another one. Then advice and they see from all angles. Now, they are on in Kenya saying, yeah, which you want and see, yeah, for your life. Never you ever give advice again to anybody. A lot of things to talk about this morning. Let's get into it. Yes, akụkọ nke izi anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụ ọ nwere a Catholic priest mapụta wee chie warning yotago ọ nọ na-aka ụka na-akụzi nkụzi n'ime ụka ahụ ọ na-aka all of a sudden wee nene ndị congregation ya anya ọ dị aka yotago enwere a lot of people gbagotego ya ndị o nwere ike inejela anya sị na ndị a dịka agadi nwa baby I don't know ihe mere o ji wee prompt o ji kwubi idi okwu a mana ọ na-esefe anya wee sị in fact ọ bụ na ilugo 35 years ebe a ịbụ nwaanyị get up anchakunye ka no thinking no ekpele ka ya ekpele fa. And then young maybe no okabash go a lot missing the 35 years man and kayo was a passy, yeah. If you're 35 years here and you have a boyfriend, propose to him. One why because this is advice, Kai when I got you, Kai will him this advice. Or also say, oh, only you go 35 and you will any boy in aquarium around you. Turn and propose to the boy. Buy him on
I think in another style and form, you know, because now I'm on the I see whatever other and we are encouraged. Like over outside the country, over outside Nigeria, most times singing Africa and Monday why a proposal and they feel like, oh, why not? So very headache here. Ever open a relationship or I say working with keep proposal. Why we can so when I even aside, if you go feel like no, okay, you know, tango. So when in this case now, opposite a priest, yes, that was how why not go ahead and propose them? Oh, according to him, also no God there was a time or age, no God there was so now. Or when you if only like when you're getting on a relationship, you really get he propose. So and we won't care also swear what I know to swear for. And but I offer now Indian agua and they also working on why they see welfare because now some of the here were like how come in a got some why have you there was here working to the so hey
you don't want them to be breaking the law or say my sister break the law or your break that law I'm only paying a very good day man the problem there but only I just propose asia mba oge di nkwa o ebe abude oye di nwa ya no ya bere tin
ofodo di na go ha ga accept
just help go die help why assess the situation ndị ga-eme ife akịta 35 otu gwa papa na fama ya otu isi afọ papa ga-edi nkwa ya
well I was here did ya bụ ihe and ụfọdụ ga-take prepare like that ha ga-eme ha mee ya ọ ga accept kwa before that, I know ndị mmadụ ga-ekwu ma ha ghọta na onye nwa bụ ihe ga-propose wezie to
can solve all the problem. Can solve all the problem. If ga-eme na let's suggest to all of them ndị 35 onye ọbụla na-eme ubi ije propose. Ya make sure nọ n'etiti ụgbọ n'etiti mmiri ga-esi ekwu ya si ya nọrọ ebe a wee propose. Ọ bụrụ na o mekọtasị mba na ya da esi my friend leave this boat. Akụkọ oti kpọju.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for you.
Yes, Nakwakaya about the priestess also he stated that when lady over the age of 35 observe that a man is somewhat interested in them, they should pitch their good qualities to the man as to make it easier for the man. Ya gosibe ezigbote omume ya gosibe ezigbote agba na ọ bụrụ ọnọdụ mgbe ọ na-elekasị ọnụ ya na-agbakasị ọnụ ya bụrụ gbazakwa now. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụla akụkọ ya bụ anyị na-eti ya ọnụ ya dị very objective yotago because na in as much as na federal government akpọlụgo onye anyị na-ekwu maka kịta na-eje court yotago ka ọ zaa ụgbadeli ya n'isi onwe ya. That does not mean that everybody on represented exactly like that, and that's why we must limit the talk to just him without antagonizing ndị ọzọ based on if onye ọzọ metalụ Now, this is what is happening as at Qatar, as I'm talking to you. Federal government, Apulugo Unisinde Meit Allah. You have to go both the president of Meit Allah, where Poli Ajabe court, and he goes by the name Bello Bodejo, you know, and the next case, he go to Matiana court. I will say that you, Bello Bodejo, male, adult, on or before the 17th day of January 2024 at Lafia, Nasarawa State, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, committed to commit an offense to wit. You establish an ethnic militia known as Kungia Zamana Lafia without authorization and committed an act of prejudice, like a prejudicial to national security and public safety, and offense punishable under Section 29 of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022. Now, the problem there, you know, go bugodo the fact that no oil establish his own militia, and they, you know, nda hogo, nde gana abambo, nisi onwafa basali fe basalande Fulanis, you know, and they honor them in the sense that maybe to protect their cows and all of that in case of Ebehan and Wagase attack. And if Opana Melo Hedge, where, you know, policy Ajabe court and keep as well, but based on maybe what the president is saying about the fact that he could address the issue of, you know, farmers headers clash over, you know, within 3 weeks or so maybe this is like the first move about the entire situation. And the kind of a lot of people want the, you know, the right to protect in some kind of way, but the ways we go about it, the fact they register this group without MLD group established without registration, because then we're going to establish the militia, but they had to go through the government, like the militia when it was established in the southwest. Yotago, it was MLA Agalia through the right process, the government Manahano on a very good day. And I'm talking about Amotekon Yotago. I will talk about this with someone that was I magazine. So Kana Gosesele Ayabefe Ana Kowale Ana Onwell an act of prejudicial to national security and public safety, and offense punishable under Section 29 of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022.
Well, only a quote gesi where dimma, and in this case now, I feel that now why not? Now when we get establishing his own organization when he can protect for her, but now. Usolo, all the specific when I'm and of which now oboness women or we make a wedding because now ane kukomaka ndị nwana akwụkwọ ka protest for again because other people were writing had to so I for that now ihe niile no onwere onye megidere ibe ya mana otu ọgụ gawagoro court is okay nye wazi ga agakwụ court ahụ I wee tinye okwu niile ahụ ọnụ wee malụ ihe menụ na otu a ga-esi wee resolve kwanye amalụ onye na-emetara ya na onye nke metara ya nụ mana ọ dị ka mkpa ka anyị na-eme ihe ka uche anyị dị ka anyị mmadụ nwere usoro ekwesị isi wee mee ka anyị soro otu a wee na-eme ya ka o wee alụ ikwute okwu.
Anyway, all the go see the oya azabogodo ubadelia, but this does not mean naga and everybody anya ni homel na every single person seen that group would be involved. At the end of the day, no one take his actions as the president, and maybe when they take the action, some of the members will get it normally at the right way without knowing that Nobolo Otuisi Pakos mayor on a very good day. Mane Batazan on Toto, why if you know, Yaneti Yabukuano, Yotagoya, the very objective about the entire thing. Right about Keta for Akoko also Ijuwe Mabata no Toto Awebolo Akoko Ihemelo na Ogun State. Omwa Ukwo Yotago in the primary and the secondary. No Ogun State. Na Juan Wepa na or US Kainoze. Makana had allow Panek as if I can 10,000 naira. Na Juan Wepa. Okay, what happened now? Okay, now what the Congo federal government can be federal right about now. So it happened that, you know, the Ogun State governor, Yotago Malo, promised to make it, and he kept to those promises. And the Ogun State, and I wonder, Kedoke, Idifas were the possible. Now, this is what to the Akokosime, they said it was excitement and praise galore as the Ogun State government on Wednesday flagged up the payment of 10,000 naira cash award to 100,000 primary and secondary school learners in the over 2,000 public schools across the 4 divisions of the state. Everybody once. And he says the payment is in fulfillment of the promise made by the governor, Prince Dapo Abiodun, to pay 10,000 naira to indigent pupils and students in the state's primary and secondary schools. Speaking while monitoring the disbursement of the money in some schools in Abeokuta, Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Professor Abayomi Aribab, noted that the payment was one of the strategies used by the governor to provide succor to parents as a result of the present economic situation in the country. Because Anambra free education be already, mana nke piaz pane kezi 10,000 naira.
You know, in your had the cash, the hard, the my dear had the okay, has now worked there because so to get where the Kahanya law, Kanyakwa, their parents,
yes,
Niha Wasalo, Afukoha, so which is here the and no, you know, Emily Kissy were helpful. I appreciate you got a free education in your head, go even if feeding all these things. We had them. So our government, even individuals, well end up issue with others. Why not? They can help too. Yes.
And for one, call myself and Hannah plan of capture and then on a high institution. I get 50,000 to 50,000 people, and okay, now capture go almost 20,000 students so far. Higher 50,000. I'll put forget and some people got Ogun State now. Just say they are one claim. It draws me. I'm good. Okay, overall believe my 10,000 for 50. But over no CD. I is where manage good on a very good day. Go see na the case we emulate to other states. Get other states in which we be to pay attention to do something like this or get help cushion all the effect of the subsidy removal and the hardship and face today in Nigeria. Okay, go is where they more bony if I don't state in Kai on a very good day. If I say why you feel on a be fair. And I go on with figure one model. You have to go in Maloni Google model on a very good day. Not we can on your hand on your crew, but need to go something each good model. Because no one day about Agua Ajoku, you have to go on the thing got Tagidi Fatila, it takes them away. I know our lodge were recognized that the libel, defamation, and all of that, and maybe because of ignorance, Melo Onyenka was in Kiajwe take his life. Onwe okwu agwasị mmadụ ihe ọ cheketa na ndụ ya bụ iji ụdọ nya wọlụ ụdọ kwugbu onwe ya na a very good day maka na eboli ebubo n'ozulu ori onwe ndị na-ada ikike ebubo na-ezu ha zuru ori nwaanyị bụ na ha mana agụụ na agụgodo fa na onwere ife ya emegide ka ha metụ ihe mmadụ aka ịghọtago so abịazi ebe onye ahụ ebubo a o wee lọta iri agụ ogo gasịrị ya ọma ife a bụ agba nkịtị ọlọfe onwe idi mwute ọ na-ewute onye ahụ. Now, here between Watana Boy na Ogia and Nona Ikorodu or area of Lagos Corner where a teenager apprentice, the committee suicide. And it says the Afiabu Ujibe Chibueze, and they reported that seen at 8 p.m. on March 11, 2024, when he returned from the shop, he was said to have thereafter left the apartment he shared with his elder sister Cynthia. At the end of the day, according to Cynthia, in a statement to all men were honors in the police. She said that they set in when he did not return home as expected. Then and the Kachabazilia was Afolia till they received the call, alerting her of the discovery of the lifeless body of her brother at Abijo bus stop in Ikorodu, Wejebe, Lucia Bawefo. Lifeless body. And here, man, I said that later his master called and informed us that he stole 100,000 naira from his shop. Chibueze did not come back home until I received a call that he was found lying dead at Abijo bus stop at the end of the day. So, whether na ebuli ebube no zulori, mana nyawama na obolo nyawazu, o wutegideli ya telo ojijilaki ya gbuo onwe ya. Nwanne nwa kedu ihe inwe kwuna nkaka iwe n'aka n'iru stem.
So sad na modela akụkọ because now dịka isi wee malụ ma oge ụfọdụ ọ na-abụ emekwa n'otu ahụ onye ahụ efile that na ha kedu ka a ga-esi wee mee maybe na ọ na-ekwu na ọ bụrụ ya mee a na-asị ya n'ọya wa and maybe especially oge a na-suspect n'ọya wa and o ji ozelu ya bụ mwute o jee mee ihe o kwesịrị iji wee mee ọ eziokwu na 100,000 riri nde mana ọ bụrụ ya ka mmadụ ga-eji wee sị na ọ ga-egbu onwe ya and ọ nwekwa n'ike ya bụ ego emechakwa afọ ya bara den ya nwa ebugo onwe ya so ọ dị so sad na oge ụfọdụ anyị agaghị ejiri ọrụ otu ihe si wee mee anyị wee jide maka ya wee sị ka anyị mewe ihe na-ekwesịrị iji wee mee
na-eka nsi kwugodo ife afọ ọzọ one bụ na Chineke na-enye blessings ọ na-abịa in disguise. This is blessing in disguise for this guy but ọ ghọtara ya ịghọtago ọ gaghị esi n'izu 100,000 ọ bụrụ gị izu wee mebe ife dị na ya ebogo gị ya na-ekwusa n'izu ya and everything just keep record ebe a nọ na-ekwu ya onye na-ekwu ekwusibi eke na-record something record sefe niile debi ọfụma emesịa you sue everybody sue ọga gị ka o jee na court si ife ọ bụ also blessing in disguise ịghọtago on a very good day just welu nwayọọ malụ ka ihe esi wee kpọrọ ọga ajebe court ka ekwube ya bụ ife ebe ahụ on a very good day because this is that defamation a na-ekwu okwu somebody ikwuo na onye a mere ihe agwa you don't nwelo facts nwelo evidence to the fact na onye a mere ihe dị otu a iwe na-ekwusi ike na-egbu nwa onye a nna nwekwa otu ọsọ esi asọlve ya dan iji nwayọ kwugo okwu ya ka ekwupụta ihe gbasara the defamation ka onye a kwụọ ụgwọ damages onwe ọkwụkwa n'ihe ọzọ ọkwado otu aka nsị pịa mana ịbatazie ego anyị filo na ya bụ mata it is unfolding na mmadụ bụkwa ọga gị does not mean na onye nwa bụ your slave master ọkwa otu pịa ọkwa ọga ka ọ bụ aga na respect kwa ọga mana ọ bụrụ does not mean na ọ bụ your slave master to born you in this manner na the fact that na emegidezili onye ajila aka ya welụ ndị ya maka na onega anya ọga dị too much ọma nnụsa nwa ọga bụ o nwere ihe ọ ya agwa ọga ọ bụrụzi iwerezi ndị ya enugwe o wutekwa mana ịbata ebe anyị filo n'ihe niile a akụkọ otu igboju ọkpiloto now the splash of joy, the splash of happiness, the splash of gene gbagam in somebody's account this morning. Is unfolding right about now. I told you classic figure call I 1 or 2. You have to go when I got a still classic.
Okay, so after whatever below a woman university these days. So we're not taking now for we see waiting the yanya because of us I want the yanya. So now I'll be fed this. So in the process now, I am 3 of them come okay now for only get 4 years, only get 5, only get 6. So I'll the kidnap was say all that also go do that the away for where there. Then the yanya so we also, yes, I mean, Lagos. So, I went I took a hat because now one of the 3. Man, if you go to also where is I get even more in Hana expert with him, Hana, but the Kachukusu wall on Nanka, and that hand to go over those children to their families.
Anyway, trafficking, abụrụ esi ụmụ nwanyị ihe ha na-eme ọ dịka because na-agụzi nke ikpeazụ a. I'm not saying that ụmụ nwanyị niile na-eme ihe dị na trafficking, but I'm telling you that a good number of traffickers bụkwa na ụmụ nwanyị maka ụmụ nwanyị na-aka esel ụmụ nwanyị na-aka ọfọ ga-aka apịlụ otu obele nwa m n'anya iru ya dịka iru ma ọ mee ya osie on a very good day. I'm not saying that ụmụ nwoke ada walk that way, mana nwoke krafụ nya na obele nwa easily etibego hey my friend come here maka na nwoke ka ọ bụ mana nwaanyị nwere ike na-asọ dị ka nwa ya bụ ife agbakwa ya nkịtị